Prior to installing Generations 2.0, you need to remove the previous installations of Generations from your computer. To do this, please locate your control panel. For Windows 7, you should be able to locate that in your Start menu. For Windows 8 and 10, you should be able to locate that by typing in the search bar Control or Control Panel. Once the control panel is opened, please select Uninstall a program. Allow the menu to propagate, but what you're looking for is your Generations 1.6 or 1.5. Simply right-click on the listing and select Uninstall. That will remove the system from your computer. Follow the prompts on your screen to uninstall your installation. Your screen may differ from mine depending on your version. If you are asked to delete files, just put the check mark in the Yes box to delete all files. When you're done, click on Finish and close your control panel. There is one more step that you need to do to remove the Generation system from your computer. Please click on your My Computer or My Folders and locate your C drive. In your C drive, you're going to look for a folder named SuperTech. Simply right-click and select Delete to remove that folder from your computer.